Welcome back everyone to another episode of Mumbles. Today we're reviewing this little guy. Hi, my name is Scrub Daddy. I'm here to clean everything for you. I'm gonna clean stuff for you. I'm gonna clean stuff for you. I gotta carry away, I'm sorry. But this product is amazing, so I can get carried away because it's that good. So today we're reviewing the Scrub Daddy, which is a sponge. Why are you reviewing a sponge, Mumbles? What is the point of that? Well, it's not just a sponge, it is a do-it-all tool that you can use pretty much on anything, guys, anything. So, how does the Scrub Daddy work? It works like a normal sponge. Now if you notice, I don't know if you guys can see this, I'm pushing and it's not spongy at all. This has a hard mode and a soft mode. The soft mode is activated by soft in warm water with gentle cleansing, firm in cold water with coarse scrubbing. So basically you can have this hard or you can have this soft. Don't take that the wrong way, but you can have this hard or soft, and it basically is a do-it-all cleaning tool. Now you do have to replace these. I wanted to show you guys, this is how they eventually get. You can see it's dirty, it doesn't hold its shape, it's not firm anymore. They do get worn out from scrubbing, but that's okay because they're cheap. They're only like $3 a thing. And you can put spoons in here. You can use its little mouth to clean your spoons. You can use the little coarse edges to clean stuff. You can use it. It's so good that it can even be used to take rust off of tools, which, you know, most things don't do that, guys. They don't. So it's really a good little product. It won't scratch your items. It won't scratch your dishes. It won't scratch anything. It really helps. It really is useful to get the debris out of things. It works amazing and it looks so happy. Look, I am Scrub Daddy. Oh, okay, I'm done. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, it's a cute little thing and it works so great. So, the Scrub Daddy, as I said, it can do a little bit of everything. It can be used on so many different things. It's just a good little tool. So, I got all excited. What am I going to give the Scrub Daddy on my product review? Without a doubt, this little scrub, this little sponge, deserves a 5 out of 5 because it can clean pretty much anything. It's such a great little product. It smells, yeah, it smells good even after you use it. It works really, really good, guys. You definitely need to give at least one a try. You can use it on your dishes. You can use it on, like I said, my dad takes these out, usually the older ones, okay? Usually the older ones because, you know, you don't want to use your best one on your tools and then go to the house and use them on whatever. But he usually takes the older ones and he can clean the rust off his tools. I mean, come on, that's amazing. It doesn't scratch things. It brings the shine out of things. It cleans them. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It can take stains off of things that you didn't think you could get stains out of anymore. Definitely give this a try. It's amazing. So yeah, that's my product review of it. 5 out of 5 stars, definitely. This has been another episode of Mumbles. I want to thank you all so much for watching. You're all so amazing. Keep rocking on and keep on cleaning with your Sponge Daddy if you have one. Anyways, if you have one and you want to comment below and let me know what you think, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your experiences with it. If not, that's cool too. Definitely give it a try. It's not very expensive. It deserves a try. So, yeah, guys, this has been another episode of Mumbles. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Check out my other videos. This is Mumbles signing off, guys. Thank you again so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.